Hello, this is a video on how to access and use SAM within your course. So there's a couple of different ways to get here. The SAM link right over here will take you to the general SAM application. However, it might be easier for you to navigate using the weekly tasks if your instructor has set it up this way. So you can see that they're broken out by week. You'll obviously start with week 1, but I'll just give you an example here so you can see that your instructor has set out discussion questions. There's discovering computers. This is the reading, and then there's trainings, exams, and textbook projects. So I'll just go into one of these. And it's obviously click to launch, so that's pretty easy to find out what to do. And if you get this, you can just simply launch it. Now the next screen that is going to come up, and this will only come up until you pay for it, is this payment screen. So you do have a grace period until September 12th. So if you have not purchased your textbook that comes, or if you haven't purchased your code from the bookstore, then you can do this I'll pay later, and you have a grace period until September 12th. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for the sake of this demonstration, and then just click continue. Okay, it will tell you some details about the training, and then you can just click start. This will launch you right
In this lesson, you will be learning about buying a computer.
In this case, for
Along the way, you'll consider your budget, your intended uses, and form factors. You will also consider what you need
in terms. You have an observation as well as an apply. So
budgets are very personal. How much money do you have to spend on a computer? You should buy the best computer you can that fits into your budget. Can you afford to buy it?
I'm going to go ahead and just close out of here and close out of here, and that'll take me right back to Blackboard. Okay, so another thing that you will want to complete are the exams. And again, you just click to launch. And this will give you some information about the exam itself. These are 30-minute in duration. You can have at least 3 incorrect tasks before it marks it wrong. It cannot be retaken, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to go ahead and start this. And if you have taken the trainings, then the exam should be a slam dunk for you, because these are just a review of what you just learned, and you simply go to these and advance to the next item. You can see that there's 18 of these questions, and some of them are matching like this, okay? And then you just submit. So I'm going to go ahead and exit, but you'll get the idea. I highly recommend that you complete the trainings before you do the exam. And the last one I'm going to show you is a textbook, or excuse me, a project. So I'll just use this one for example. I'm going to click to launch. And for these, again, it gives you an assignment overview, it gives you just a couple of instructions, okay? And in this case, there are 3 major components. First of all, you'll want to download the instructions so that you know what to do. You can see it's downloading over here. This will give you your start file. That's very important that you use that start file. And when you have completed your project based on the steps that you found in these instructions right here, then you're going to go ahead and upload it right here. So these require the actual application. In this case, it's Excel, so hopefully you have Excel on your computer to complete this project. So that concludes the video. I will make sure that your instructor has some other videos on how to complete exercises in SAM, but this will give you a great start to your semester, and have a great semester.